Did you know that Malish offers a wide variety of floor machine accessories to make your job easier, more efficient, and less labor intensive? From cleaning grouted tile, LVT, and carpet to terrazzo and concrete restoration and polishing, we're here to save you time and money. With over 75 years of experience manufacturing rotary disc machine brushes and accessories, Malish is a name you can trust. Our rotary brush accessories include clutch plates, pad centering devices, solution tanks, splash guards, dust skirts, and risers, just to name a few of our top sellers. Our clutch plate line includes our innovative Tru-Fit Universal Clutch Plate. This plate was designed to fit snugly onto the machine, eliminating wobble and reducing operator fatigue. The clutch plate flexes vertically and compresses horizontally ever so slightly, allowing it to spin true to the center of the machine. Our pad centering device line includes CENTER-LOK and BIG MOUTH brands, which are designed to help your machine run smoothly and create a consistent cleaning pattern. Our most popular centering device, CENTER-LOK 3, has a 2-click mushroom design that works with both thin and medium-sized pads, while BIG MOUTH works great with thicker pads. Malish manufactures plastic risers in heights ranging from 3/8 to 1.5 inches. This allows for the use of a larger pad driver and pad or brush. Adding additional space between the housing of the unit and the pad driver without hitting the unit housing allows you to get closer to walls and edges. Our risers allow you to use a variety of pad driver sizes, pads, and even brushes on your existing floor machines. The Malish Solution Tank provides features designed to improve cleaning performance, reduce labor time, and limit the utilization of chemicals. The large capacity 4-gallon tank features durable, damage-resistant, rotational molded polyethylene, machined brass hardware, and a flow control valve that allows operators to properly manage the amount of solution used during cleaning. Plus, multiple mounting patterns allow operators to quickly and easily install the solution tank on a wide variety of machines. The Splash Guard by Malish fits all single-disc rotary floor machines up to 20 inches in diameter. Designed to minimize the messy splash that results when running machines, Splash Guard is made of flexible polypropylene and withstands and contains the grittiest of debris, creating a cleaner working environment. The Malish Dust Skirt creates a clean, dust-free environment that allows you to breathe easier when sanding, grinding, and buffing your most demanding floor projects. It adapts perfectly to your 17-inch or 20-inch buffer and allows your machine to run with any dust containment system. The design allows flexibility of the skirt shroud to always be in contact with the floor. The black reinforced nylon brush floats on the floor and allows optimal dust collection. No matter the application, Malish has an accessory to help you maintain your floor.